Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are planning for an once in a lifetime road trip from Bengaluru to Sivasagar in Assam and return. The distance from Bengaluru to Sivasagar is 3,429 kilometers and from Sivasagar to Bengaluru is 3,307 kilometers. The difference in the distance is because we will be taking different routes for onward and return journey. Preparation for this epic road trip started with some consultation in the Team BSP forum. We did also take suggestion in WhatsApp groups as well as from some friends. On our onward journey, we'll drive from Karnataka via Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal to reach Assam. After staying 1.5 months in Assam, we will return from Assam via West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh to reach Karnataka. We will start from Bengaluru on a Friday afternoon to reach Kurnool and take overnight halt. Next morning, we will drive to Seoni in Madhya Pradesh and stay overnight. From Seoni, we will go to Varanasi and stay a couple of days. From Varanasi, we'll drive to Muzaffarpur and stay 2 days. From Muzaffarpur, we will drive to Gossaigaon and stay overnight. Next day, we will drive to Gohpur and stay a couple of days at our relatives' place. From Gohpur, we will drive to our final destination, Sivasagar. This journey will take approximately 10 days. We will stay 1.5 months in Assam. We also plan to visit Arunachal Pradesh as well as some tourist attraction in Assam. For our return, we will come to Guwahati and stay a few days. We also plan to visit Meghalaya. Then we'll drive to Bahalpur and stay 2 days. From Bahalpur, we will drive to Malda and stay overnight. From Malda, we will drive to Kolkata and stay few days. From Kolkata, we will drive to Puri and stay 2 days. From Puri, we will come to Visakhapatnam and stay 2 days. From Visakhapatnam, we will drive to Angule and stay overnight. Next day, we will drive to our final destination, Bengaluru. Return journey will take about 16 days. I'll replace my tires. They are in the process of replacing. Now he is removing the tire, and then actually inside I have tire pressure monitoring system sensor. He will also check the sensor if it is loose. Now he is checking the tire pressure monitoring system. Just if it is slightly loose or something.
alignment is in progress. All new tires now. These tires are manufactured in January and February 2022.
From doing up your space, prepping for get-togethers to gifts, do it all with Chumbak. Shop from our home and lifestyle range at a Chumbak store today or shop online at chumbak.com.
Okay, the car is almost ready after servicing.
This is my papa's cockpit. He has a very important safety device called TPMS. It can show tire pressure and temperature in real time. We also have a tire inflator, a tire puncture repair kit, and a few other tools. These are important for any long drive.